we have this, and there you have it. We're tagged on. Okay, so nice reaction. This is a nice reaction there. So basically we want to see a change of character, and exactly we have our change of character here. So where are we going to take our trade? Normally we're supposed to take our trade to this zone, right? But there is a possibility that price might not hit this zone because price might just reverse from here. This is a short video that is going to teach you how to trade real smart money concept. So in case you don't mind, make sure that you stick to the end of this video because it's going to be very brief. Now I will show you how to navigate the forex market using the 1 minute time frame. Without further ado, let's dive right in. So as you can see, let's first of all use the replay feature. So I'm going to cut this to London session open. So currently now we have, this is the London session open. So what do we do? It's very, very simple. The first thing that we want to do, I think I should I think I need to carry you along. Okay, I need to carry you along. All right, let's dive in. Okay, so what do we have on the 15 minutes? So let's go to the 15-minute time frame to know exactly what we have first. Now the first thing that should come to mind, all this area, a bunch of liquidity. Now if you are following me on Telegram, or I actually said all of these are a bunch of liquidity. Now I didn't send to the free Telegram, only to the FXCD mentorship Discord channel, right? So because all of these are a bunch of liquidities, so as a result we're expecting the lower push to the downside. But before then, what can we see here? We have this area. This is the most recent zone. After this zone have been respected, after this demand zone have been respected, right? So this is exactly what we have. And what else do we have? We have this area. This is a liquidity actually, and that liquidity have been grabbed, so we could just possibly say that's a break of structure. All right, okay, so this is exactly what we have, and we should be expecting. Let's go to 5-minute time frame to see if we'll see something better, something good. Now on the 5-minute, what can we see? Right, this is what I can see on the 5-minute, this zone here. So I'm going to draw this. We're going to draw this to the future, which is there. All right, so we have it on, and this is the extreme, right? So we could just simply map the 50% of this, right? But this is the most valid zone, right? But for the sake of learning, you really need to understand how to navigate this market. So now we have everything set up, so we're going to spend most of the time on the 1 minute. Right now, if you are trading live, you must first of all really understand the narrative of the market, right? So I already did this analysis from the 4 hours before now, which was exactly our London session today. This was the trade I took today. Now you can see them on my chart on my screen, right? And if you go to my Instagram, FXTD Academy, you are going to see the trades. Okay, so let's play this and see. Easy. Okay, so session have opened up. Let's see. All right, this did not give me a selling opportunity. It didn't give me opportunity to take a sell. Right now, there's something we can do here. Now normally this is supposed to be the zone, right? But that's not the zone. This becomes the zone. So usually this becomes an area where we could possibly take our trades. But I want you to understand that this trade, this particular one, is a risk entry, right? So this is a risk entry setup, and possibly I can just do something like this and have this on this way, right? So where am I targeting? I can possibly target there. That's 1 to 10. Okay, so let's play this, because like I said, I want this to be very short, and these are trades which I actually took today. The FXTD VIP signals, I sent it to them. I sent to the as it was unveiling, I sent everything to the FXTD Academy as well. Okay, so we have this, and there you have it. We're tagged on. Okay, so nice reaction. This is a nice reaction there. So basically, we want to see a change of character, and exactly we have our change of character here. So where are we going to take our trades? Normally, we're supposed to take our trades from this zone, right? But there is a possibility that price might not hit this zone because the price might just reverse from here because of the breaker block, because this breaker block becomes a valid one because you can't find a reaction there. But for the sake of explanation, for you to know, okay, so we're going to use this, and this is about 2 pips stop loss, right? Let's see. Okay, so as you can see, there was no tag, right? But you see that price moved nicely. There was no tag, right? Now, what am I waiting? We have more liquidity grabbed, more liquidity taken here, swept, and we have a massive break of structure to the upside, right? So basically, what are we expecting? We're expecting that price comes down and continue. But before price will continue, I'm waiting for a liquidity. So a liquidity will actually confirm that move. So how do we get that? So my entry is going to be here. This is where my entry is going to be. So that will be my entry, and my stop loss, I can still target the same high. So the first one is 1 to 10. Remember, this one is currently in profit. Right? This one is currently in profit. We missed this one and we took this trade. And let's see. Okay. All right. I think it's already creating liquidity for this zone. Nice. So we have nice liquidity, trendline liquidity here for that zone. So hopefully we get tagged and price fail to tag us in. And there you go again. We have a break of structure here. We have a break of structure here. And what do we have? This becomes our entry. All right. So basically, I will look for another entry targeting the same high. Right. So let's go. And boom, we're tagged in, right? So we have we're tagged in, but this is a very nice reaction, right? But I can sense liquidity on this particular level. So these are trades that I took, right? I was really on this trade, right? And you could see it. So let's, ouch. All right. So we have it on. We are still on. So this is a break-even point for me. This point, that will be a break-even point. So if price gets there, fine. If not, it's okay. All right. So, all right. So nice. We are break-even. So we are in profit. All right. We're in profit. Now we have another zone here created here. This is another zone. Right. And I'm going to take the trade. Now, if you are looking for a broker that will give you zero spread, because there are some entries that, you know, that might not like the kind of trade I take, look at my stop losses, 2 pips stop loss, 2 pips stop loss, 2 pips stop loss, 1.6 pips stop loss, right? So if you are using a broker with high spread, then you might, you might want to buffer it, right? So you just have to take your stop loss a little bit lower, right? But seeing that I'm using a tight spread broker, actually zero spread broker, in case you want to know or you want to register, feel free. I'll drop the link in the video description. Just go ahead and use that broker. It has some affiliate link. I'm going to get a little commission without you paying anything. Okay, so and also the broker, once you deposit $100 is the minimum for, for zero spread account. You are going to get double of your amount. That's $200. So you get 50% of, or was it 100% of whatever you deposit, right? So let's go on. Let's see how if it's going to work out. All right, nice. And more liquidity is created above. So it makes my zone valid, more valid, right? So let's see. And there you have it. There you have it. All right, so we're in. So this is now a very, very riskless trade, right? And that's it, right? So basically, what you can really do with this strategy, you can do wonders with this. All right, a lot of wonders. That's what you can do with this, right? So if we are to calculate this, let's say this is 1 to 9, 1 to 8, 1 to 5, and 1 to 6. So if we are going to add them, we have 9 plus 8 plus 5 plus 6, which is equal to what? Now the thing is this, the thing is this: 9 plus 8 plus 5 plus 6, that's 28 risk to reward for just one session, right? So it's something you can do. All you need to have the accurate knowledge. Okay, now I know we missed this entry. So if we remove 9, if we remove, okay, I didn't really count this one, right? So if we remove 8 from 28, 28 minus 8, that's 20 arrow. So that's insane, guys. 20 arrow for just one particular setup. All right, so this alone is able to, this alone can make you to pass any Pro-Firm challenge, right? So this is exactly how to do it. All you need to do is to get full access. In case you don't have money to join our premium membership, just feel free to watch all our content on YouTube and follow me on Instagram, so that you'll be learning through the reels and through our videos. But if you have the money to get in, don't waste your time, because from experience, I know what I'm saying. Don't waste your time. Just go to our website and join the Discord and join our premium channel to gain access to both our signals and to our membership, our course and live sessions. So I hope this video helped you in its own little way. So do well to subscribe for more.